Imagine yourself in a bustling college classroom, amidst students engrossed in their computers, coding, creating, and innovating. Welcome to the world of BCA, Bachelor of Computer Applications. In the ever-evolving realm of technology, BCA stands as a 3-year undergraduate degree program, illuminating the path for those who have an affinity for computer applications. This course isn't merely about learning the basics. It's about diving deep into the sea of computational theories, algorithms, and everything that makes our technology-driven world tick. In this tech-centric era, the relevance of BCA could not be overstated. As we move further into the digital age, the demand for skilled professionals in the field of computer applications continues to surge. Thus, BCA opens up a myriad of opportunities, helping shape successful careers for young aspirants. So, whether you wish to be a software developer, a system analyst, or a database administrator, BCA could be your launchpad. BCA is not just a course, it's a stepping stone to a world of opportunities in the realm of computers and technology. You might wonder, what exactly does the BCA course entail? It's time to delve deeper. The Bachelor of Computer Applications, or BCA, is a 3-year undergraduate program meticulously designed to bridge the gap between the IT industry and academic institutions. The course structure is divided into 6 semesters, each focusing on specific aspects of computer applications. The first year introduces students to the world of computer applications with subjects like database management and programming languages. Moving on to the second year, the curriculum dives into the complexities of data structures and networking, fostering a deeper understanding of the field. The final year focuses on more advanced topics, ensuring that students are well versed in the latest industry trends. A unique feature of the BCA course is its emphasis on the practical application of concepts. From hands-on coding exercises to real-world project work, the course ensures that students are not just theoretically proficient, but also practically adept. A well-rounded curriculum to equip students with the necessary skills and knowledge for a prosperous career in IT and software. Having piqued your interest, let's navigate through the admission process for BCA. The journey starts with the eligibility criteria. You should have completed your 10+2 from any stream with English as a compulsory subject. Now, on to the entrance exams. Most colleges conduct their own entrance exams, and these exams evaluate your aptitude in English, reasoning, and quantitative skills. Once you clear the entrance exam, you're on to the next stage, the selection process. This usually involves a round of group discussions or personal interviews. Here, your communication skills, confidence, and subject knowledge are put to the test. Finally, if you've made it through all these stages, congratulations, you're ready for enrollment. At this point, you'll need to submit all your necessary documents, pay your fees, and voila, you're officially a BCA student. Though the admission process might seem daunting, remember, every step you take is a step closer to your dream career. The right college can make a world of difference in your educational journey. And when it comes to pursuing a Bachelor of Computer Applications, there are several top-notch institutions in India and across the globe that stand out. In India, Christ University in Bangalore is renowned for its comprehensive curriculum and distinguished faculty. The university also boasts a commendable placement record. Then, we have the University of Delhi, well known for its rigorous academic environment and successful alumni. Internationally, the University of California, Berkeley offers a top-tier BCA program. Known for its innovative approach to education, Berkeley graduates are often snapped up by Silicon Valley companies. Similarly, the University of Oxford in the UK offers a rigorous BCA program, nurturing students with its rich academic heritage and world-class faculty. Oxford graduates often find themselves in high-ranking positions in the tech industry. Choosing the right college is crucial, as it sets the foundation for your future. So make your choice wisely, keeping in mind your aspirations and potential opportunities. The journey doesn't end with BCA, it merely begins. Upon completing your BCA degree, a multitude of career paths unfurl before you. With the ever-growing demand for IT professionals in various sectors, the world is your oyster. You could dive straight into the job market, with profiles ranging from system analyst to software developer and even network engineer. The IT industry is vast, and the opportunities are boundless. Alternatively, you could choose to further your studies. Advanced courses like MCA or MBA in IT can provide you with a deeper understanding of the field and open up even more career options. You could become a project manager, a systems manager, or even a database administrator. The IT industry is constantly evolving, and with a BCA degree, you're well equipped to evolve with it. BCA opens a plethora of opportunities, paving the way for a promising future in the IT industry.